I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken treehouse. Swing me up on its hanging tire. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so kiss me. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance.
Nagbuhat lang po, Bisaya ako, hindi ako yung Tagalog.
Okay lang po.
Para kayo magpikuan. Salamat sa iyong birthday day. Napunta, nagbuhat ako sa mama mo, papa. Salamat.
So kiss me.
Ay, happy birthday. Napakaganda mo. Sana maging mabait ka sa sunod journey ng life mo. God bless. Birthday, Sai. Wish you all the best and God bless you.
Kiss me.
Happy birthday, Zai. Kinin mo lahat ng moment na yung gabi kasi this is just once in a lifetime. And before entering to the real world, let yourself feel all the love around you right now. Life won't be easy, pero alam naman namin God na kayang-kaya mo yan. Sana sa pagsubok in life, kayanin mo yan, ha? Huwag kang susuma, okay?
18th birthday, sana maging masunuri ka. So, ayun, enjoy mo lang yung life mo, enjoy mo lang pagiging dalaga, pati yung college life siya. Happy birthday.
Beside the green
At design, sana hindi ka na mangiliti at sipagan ka sa pag-aaral mo. Hindi masunurin ka.
Isaiah, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to adulthood. It's a huge accomplishment and I'm so proud of the wonderful person you've grown into. You possess a powerful intelligence, a lovely heart, and an extraordinarily bright prospects. I'm truly blessed to have you as a friend, you know it. From the giggles we've had to the memories we have yet to create. More runs to come, lalo na ngayon. Magka-college tayo. Alam kong marami kang runs at puro reklamo ka na. Tayong dalawa, I mean. But remember that I will always be here for you. I am your one call away anytime and anywhere. Now that you're officially an adult, here's to more late night conversations, impromptu trips kahit hindi natutuloy, and living your best life.
Happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw na to at saka magpatuloy ka lang sa pagiging mabuti mo. Love you so much.
So all, happy 18th birthday, Designer. I know turning 18 makes you very emotional kasi very sentimental kang tao. So, sana happy ka talaga ngayon.
Good evening po sa magulang ni Zain.
And sabi nga po ng MC or ng host, teacher po ako ni Zai or advisor niya po ako ng grade 11. And hanggang grade 12, magkakasama po kami lahat. So, tama. Dati, treasurer ka lang ng classroom, naniningil ka lang kung sino mga hindi nagbabayad. Pero ngayon, I am sure at the age of 18, you are enough to treasure at alamin na ang mundo. Tama. And I hope, and we all know, and as an advisor, alam ko rin na you are always doing your best just to reach your dreams. So, your candle, I know it symbolizes na that light gives you hope and light in the path that you are going to reach while reaching your dreams. Lagi mong tatandaan yon. And if ever kung anong mga nararanasan mong hirap sa buhay, just keep praying, kausapin mo lang si Lord, and that will be enough.
At tumulong isa sa paano naglaki, mga magulang natin. Siyempre, hindi na. Hanggang ngayon. Hanggang sa pagtanda mo, nandito ka lang dito Marcel. I love you.
Kiss me.